Today I want to give you my view on Forex weekly analysis. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. The time now is 10:22 a.m. in Biafra, West Africa. Okay. Remember, if you want to subscribe to our channel, please remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn to do what we do, to get the knowledge we have, then join our Telegram and request for students group. You only need to pay a little money and I will train you. Okay, let's kick off. DSY, you can see daily candle. This is daily chart. And it seems that these three waves pullback might be all we will have. You know, if you my previous analysis, I told you we are heading to 88. The scenario has not changed, though in 4 hours and 1 hour you can see more up and down. That's the normal thing about the market. So this might be the investment we will have, but I'm of the opinion that we will still have a move towards 9500 and 400. Maybe after this B might give us we will likely have a flat, either a running flat, either an expected flat or even running flat. So we keep watch. After the current dropping, we will know whether we will have this or not. So for now, the market is selling. So let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, in last time I gave you something like this. I gave you something like this. A, B, C. But you can see the market did not go that far, and it turned to go down. So all is not lost. So what we be looking for now is once we have a little pullback, then we will sell towards 89. The first drop will go towards 89. So in 4 hours we will likely see it in more details. Then this is 1 hour. So watch out for pullback towards this blue line, that is towards 90.5 and 96. Look for sell setup around here, unless the selling continues without pulling back. But if there is a pullback, we will definitely come to this area, right? If we get a pullback, we will likely come to this area. So that's all for DSY. USD, just opposite USD is DSY. So we are buying. The buying will likely create a new high before we look for sell. So there is no need talking much about this. Let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, just look for a little pullback and join the buyers, because just as I forecasted, I thought the market will come to this area, but it did not. So nevertheless, what matters is that we are correct with the market. So once we get either 3 waves pullback or maybe a flag, then we're gonna buy towards 1.223 or thereabout. So let's see 1 hour chart. 1 hour, just see the details. You can see this is wave 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 can come deep inside this blue box. So look for buy within 1.212, 218 and thereabout. Just inside the blue box, we look for buy, and the buying will take us to 1.223, 224, 225. Okay, the next pair we have here is excuse me, Euro JPY. In Euro JPY, once this channel is broken, we're gonna have a big drop. But in my opinion, the big drop will not come. Let me show you what I'm thinking will happen. in my opinion, we're gonna have a move like this, maybe something like this, and something like this. So why I say this, that this wave 4 might not go deep. We must have this wave 4 as a running flat, but if the channel if this channel breaks, then know that wave 4 will come if the channel breaks, then wave 4 will be deep, and if wave 4 comes deep, then look for another buy before we get the real big drop, which will come in 3 waves, something like this. Something like this. Oh. Something like this. So watch out, but don't be in a haste to sell. Just wait for, be patient, let this channel break first, and know that is wave 3 is about to complete, and after that we get to wave 4. Whether wave 4 will be deep or not, I don't know yet. Okay, now let's move. This is 4 hours on the SY. So we are looking for we are looking for the move to complete wave 3. Oh. After that, we look for wave 4. Wave 4 might be deep. In case if wave 4 is not deep, then it might terminate around the trend line. Then wave 5 will come. So bear in mind, wave 3 will likely end towards this upper trend line. Okay, let's move. JPY, you wanna watch out just to give you the details. So look for a pullback. The pullback we're looking for might be something like this. Might be something like this. So you will likely have something like this around here. Then the buy will continue. So in other words, if you are long already, no need to close your long, because even if we have a pullback, it will still go up. So just in case you have an open buy position, you leave it. If not, wait for this to happen, then you buy. AUD. UAUD, we are still looking for a drop. So we are looking for buy around 1.54. 1.54, 1.55, 1.5. So 1.54 area is where we are looking for buy. So in my opinion, the drop will still come around this place. Okay, Euro New Zealand. In Euro New Zealand, this up move, I think we're gonna have another. We will likely have another drop before this buy we begin. So I don't see the market going up to give us this high without giving us another drop. It might be deeper than this area. It might go deeper than this area. So just bear in mind that the current sell is not yet over. Okay. Euro New Zealand 1 hour. In 1 hour, you see the reason I'm talking about giving us another drop. So it's a case of an A, B, C. So look for a further drop to give us A, B, C. Then we will have a buy going up. UHF. You can see UHF daily candle. We are looking for a buy towards the upper trend line, which will be around, which will take the price to 1.12, 1.13 area. Let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, two things are involved in 4 hours. We will likely have a further drop, but it will be inside this blue box, or it may continue to go up from here. In my opinion, we will have another drop towards inside the blue box. Then alternatively, it will go up from here. Euro card, we are looking for buy, and the buy will be so high. So if you miss everything, don't miss this Euro card buy. This dropping is getting exhausted. Let's go to 4 hours. So in 4 hours, you can see this trend line is nearly broken, but the price is still inside it. Two things are involved. First, we will have a drop, that is a close below the current low, before this buy will happen. Secondly, the buy has started, so we know that when market opens. So don't miss this trade. It will be a nice trade. What we will do is that if the buy have started, just look for something like this, then you buy, or something like this, you buy. So don't miss this trade. Then if it drops, you look for buy around this place, around this area. In any case, we are looking for buy on Euro card, and the buy will be a very nice trade. Euro GBP, you can see the channel has broken and it's going up. So two things are also involved in this trade. One is that the market will do something like this and go up. Two, it may just make a deep move, then it go up. So, but I don't see it coming below this place again. Three, it will just make a kind of running flat, just little pullback and go up. In any case, I am only looking for buy, because this move shows clear that the C has ended in a kind of, I'll call it running flat anyway, or just in a kind of contracting flat. So we are looking for buy henceforth. USD card continues to give us a new low. The only thing I'll tell you that USD card is giving us a new low. Let's go to 4 hours. Then the 4 hours is where we get our entry. So this move, this is what I perceive will happen. A little drop and maybe 3 waves, something like this, will give us wave 4, then wave 5 will happen. So look carefully to join to buy wave, sell wave 5. So when we have 3 waves pullback as wave 4, then we're gonna sell wave 5, and this is also a trend. You can see is a channel. So I didn't label it, but it's a channel. So what the wave 4 will likely end at the channel. Then we sell the wave 5 before we look for buy. And whenever the buy starts, it will be a very nice trade, because this selling have taken a lot of time, and there's no and the selling is no longer strong. So is that US dollar is too weak against USD card. So when it gets a strength, it will go very far. USD JPY, this is ABC, and this C is over. Even if it drops, it won't be much. So look for buy. Look for nothing but buy. Look for buy. The buy that will give us something like this. Don't miss this. Don't miss this buy. Alright? USD CHF. The daily chart suggests that we will have a further drop. Really, I don't expect this drop to be deep. So if you remember in my last analysis, when the price was here, I told you to watch out for the break of this place to buy. This is the reason we always like to buy when we confirm certain levels. These are the things we will teach you when you join our class, because somebody who doesn't have experience will presume that this drop is over, then the person will buy, and it will keep dropping. So now, instead of looking for buy when this is broken, we look for buy when the market comes to the blue box. Let's go to 4 hours. So in 4 hours, we're looking where 5 has started. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is how happened. So when we get flag or pullback, we sell to get to this area. After that, we will buy. Remember USD and USD and the USD JPY are always the same direction, but this time around, USD is going deeper whenever they are pulling back than USD JPY. In any case, sell little, then get ready to buy big from here. Okay, here AUD USD. Last time I told you to look for buy. The price was here. I told you nothing but to buy. So I'm still saying nothing but to buying. Okay. Okay. I think this video is not long, so I have to combine both crypto and forex. So let me be fast. Let's go to gold. So in gold, I was of the opinion that the market will likely turn back from here, but you can see it has broken it, so I'm gonna remove this. Now, if you are not bought gold, this pullback will likely, you can see we already have a pullback. It will likely do something like this. Something like this. Then look for buy from this area. The gold is buying for now, and if already bought, here will be a stop loss. Here will be a stop loss. So if you cannot trade when stop loss is here, then don't buy yet. Let me go to 1 hour to tell you what to do about gold, in case you cannot able to handle a deep stop loss. So this is 1 hour, and This is 1 hour on gold. So we may get 3 waves pullback, but they will be always short. So look for something like this. Any further pullback will be a good opportunity to buy. So if we get this, we buy from here, and if we buy from here, stop loss will be here. But you know, the lower the tighter the stop loss, the riskier it becomes. If the market decide to make a dip, a sudden dip, your stop loss will be will be taken. But in market, sometimes you lose, sometimes you gain. But an ideal trade is to buy. If we get, we are getting A, this will be B, and this will be C. I will buy. I don't have any open trade on gold, so I will buy from here. Then my stop loss will be here. Okay, let's go to silver. Silver is also moving up. I also expected silver to pull back from here, but you know, now you can see is a bit higher, and the price, the way the price is moving, the way the price is moving, the pullback may not happen, will likely not happen. So let me remove this. So what we have to look for is a little pullback, and the buying will continue. And it shows that the wave 5 is not yet over. I don't know how deep it will go, but the wave 5 is still developing. Okay. Now the next simple nearby. Get like money apota. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is going up, but in my opinion, we will have. Okay, let me go to 1 hour to see what I think will happen. In my opinion, what will happen in New Zealand USD is that we will have something like this. Then the bigger buy will continue. So wait for a new high, 3 waves pullback, and the buying will continue. Look for a new high will take this out. Wait for 3 waves pullback before the buying continues. That's my view on New Zealand USD. In any case, the overall trend now is buying. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY, in my analysis, I told you we have 3 waves pullback. But 3 waves pullback didn't happen as triangle, but it is happening like as a contracting flat. So we may not be able to see the break of this trend, but rather you may see a retest. Then the price will continue to buy from here. Okay, so in any case, we are still correct. We are looking for buy, after the buying, we will look for sell. So our target is 154, 154.5. This is our target. This area is our target. Okay. let's move. Pounds USD. Pounds USD is going up. Right now, I cannot tell whether the market will drop from here or not. But what we do in this is to wait for the price to break this level. If it breaks it, something like this, a break and a correction, then the buying will continue. But if it bounces back, if it bounces off, then we sell towards this blue box, because I'm of the opinion that we have an ABC that will drop deep, but it didn't go deep. In any case, it still happened as we thought it will, but it didn't go deep. Okay, so wait for either it returns or it breaks this and go up. So two scenarios: a break of this, we buy; a rejection, we sell. Pounds card. Sorry, pounds CHF. Pounds CHF, we have two scenarios here. You can see this level has been broken, but the strength of the move is doubtful. But let me show you what will likely happen. So we, in my first opinion, I expected a big drop. I expected a big drop when this was happening, but it seems we will not get a big drop. Rather, we will likely get a sideways. So in any case, if we get something like this, then we sell from here. So for now, forget about this blue box. The price can still come to the level, but now not as the deep as I thought it will happen. The market is like doing a sideways move. So for now, we are not in a buy level, but the selling might delay the buy. Okay. Pounds card. Pounds card. Look for further drop around 1.67, 1.68. Okay, you can see we are having a pullback. So, but the dropping is not yet over. The dropping is not yet over. Let me go to 1 hour to check something on 1 hour. So on 1 hour, once this channel is broken, we will get another drop. So why am I saying this? Do not buy from here. Not yet to buy. The buy is coming, but not just now. Maybe before the week runs out, we might see the reason to buy. Pounds New Zealand. In pounds New Zealand, we are looking for buy from here, but no clear. Let me check 4 hours. No clear sign of buying yet, but we are looking for buy. because it's got to our sell level, but no clear buying signal yet. Maybe when the price, if price keeps moving strongly above this area, then we can buy, and the buying will not just end here. The buying will take us to the new high, but right now I don't see enough reason to buy right now. Okay, I've gone to the end of the currency analysis. The next will be crypto. There are some other pages, but I won't go further with a reason. Though if you are my student, I analyze every pair on demand. If you join my Telegram channel and subscribe to and pay for my training course, I will analyze every pair you wanted me to analyze, because that's the privilege of my students. Right now, I have something to do, so I will end this video here. The next will be uh, cryptos. So watch out for cryptos. Thank you. Trade with care, don't overtrade. Like and share our video with those who need it. Thank you very much. Secondly, we have a Slack group where we give updates on daily basis. So there are a lot of advantage on joining our Telegram channel and becoming our students. God bless you. Bye.